Today's tip is going to be a really quick and fun little way to brighten up your worksheets and slide presentations. So if you have a Bitmoji, maybe you have Snapchat, you can install that as a Chrome extension and it'll show up on your toolbar. All you have to do to find it is just go to the Omnibox and type in Bitmoji Extension and spell it correctly. And then it will come up and you click on that link, and then right here yours will say add to Chrome, and it will ask you to allow and to log in and all of that good stuff. Mine says remove because I've already got it. Once you have it and you're in a Google Doc or maybe a slide, you can just click on the Bitmoji. See, mine's going to ask me to log in again. And so click on the Bitmoji and you can search for, maybe you want one that's got a wave, and maybe I want this kind of wave. So I click and I drag and I drop it on there. Now if I type, all of my text is going to be down there, but if I click on the picture and say wrap text, then I can move it around and it can be in front of, beside my text, however. If you want to put these into an email that is on webmail, you can do the same thing. But if it's on Outlook, or if you want to put it in a Word document, you do have to right click and then save that image, and then save it in your wherever, your Google Drive or however you want to get to it, to then be able to insert that into your document, whatever other kind of document it is. Next week we'll talk about how to create friend emojis so that you and a friend are in the same Bitmoji. Have a great day and enjoy Bitmojis.